My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding All India Institute of Medical Sciences Rishikesh, AIIMS Rishikesh, which is a prestigious and reputed medical institute of India. And in this video, information regarding AIIMS Rishikesh, Master of Public Health, MPH entrance exam, pattern and syllabus will be discussed. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health, MPH, Master of Hospital Administration, MHA entrance exams for various university and institutes like AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Jodhpur, PGI MER Chandigarh, TISS Mumbai, JIPMER Pondicherry, NIMHANS Bangalore, IIPH, Savitribai Phule Pune University, Christian Medical College Vellore, and for all other university and institutes which conducts Master of Public Health, MPH, Master of Hospital Administration, MHA, and other competitive exams. And for this, if students want online or offline coaching and want important questions, PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions, PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So this is the prospectus for All India Institute of Medical Sciences Rishikesh, AIIMS Rishikesh. This prospectus is according to 2025 January session. All India Institute of Medical Sciences Rishikesh, Akhil Bharatiya Ayurvigyan Sansthan Rishikesh, MPH course January 2025 session. So for January 2025 session, the last date of submission of application with requisite document and fee through his registered speed post was 15th of October 2024. So for January 2026 session, registration may come in October 2025. And this is the information regarding application fee. SC, ST, EWS 1200 plus transaction charges as applicable. Unreserved OBC 1500 plus transaction charges as applicable. PWD exempted from any fee. So in this video, I will give you information regarding entrance exam pattern and syllabus so that the students who are preparing for January 2026 session for AIIMS Rishikesh entrance exam, they can get the information regarding entrance exam pattern and syllabus. This is the summary of examination pattern. Please see test for details and explanations. First mode of examination is computer based test, CBT, online OMR. So in AIIMS Rishikesh for Master of Public Health, there is the mode of examination is computer based test, CBT, which is online exam, OMR. Date of examination in 2004 January 2025 session, it was on 19th of November 2024. So for January 2026 session, entrance exam may be in November 2025. Reporting time at examination center was 9 AM. Location of examination center was AIIMS Rishikesh. Language of paper English. Type of written entrance examination and duration. Objective type 180 minutes. So there is a objective type entrance exam which is of 180 minutes, 3 hours, and entrance exam is of computer based test, CBT, which is online OMR. Number of questions, important topics with tentative marks distribution. So these are the information for number of questions, 200 multiple choice questions, MCQs. So 200 multiple choice questions, MCQs will come in entrance exam. And topics are, first is research methodology and biostatistics. 30 questions will come from research methodology and biostatistics. Epidemiology 30 questions from epidemiology. Population sciences 30 questions from population sciences. National health program 20 questions from national health program. Basic of public health 15 questions. Basic of nutrition 15 questions. General knowledge 20 questions. Logical reasoning 20 questions, computer literacy 20 questions. So these subjects will come in entrance exam. First subject is research methodology and biostatistics. Second is epidemiology. Third is population sciences. Fourth is national health programs. 5th is basics of public health, 6th is basic of nutrition, 7th general knowledge, 8th logical reasoning, 9th computer literacy. So these 9 subjects will come in entrance exam. And marking scheme, 1 mark for each correct answer, no negative marking. So 1 mark will be given for each correct answer. There is no negative marking. Method of resolving ties, refer to page 6. So in this video, information regarding Master of Public Health entrance exam pattern and syllabus for AIIMS Rishikesh has been discussed, and I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health, MPH, Master of Hospital Administration, MHA entrance exams for various university and institutes like AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Jodhpur, PGI MER Chandigarh, TSS Mumbai, JIPMER Pondicherry, NIMHAS Bangalore, Common University Entrance Test, CUET, Christian Medical College Vellore, Rajasthan University of Health Sciences Jaipur, and for all other university and institutes which conducts MPH, MHA and other competitive exams. And for this, if students want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. Thanks for watching this video.